In this video, I will show you shortcut key to delete columns in Microsoft Excel. So firstly select that column which you want to delete using shortcut like this one. Now press Ctrl minus sign like this. Select it, Ctrl minus sign. And if you want to delete multiple column, so select them. Now Ctrl minus sign. Similarly, you can delete row. Select it, Ctrl minus sign, and you can delete multiple rows. Select them and Ctrl minus sign. Ctrl minus sign. So thanks for watching. This is the way to delete row or column using shortcut.